We're going to unbox the new AyshaHarun for modernEID Luna collection. Let's go. I've been working with AyshaHarun, who is an amazing content creator. The first part of the collection that we have are pieces that we created specifically for modernEID's Luna Centerpiece, which is one of our most popular products. So we're going to get started. The one that actually took the longest to make, believe it or not, is the calligraphy moon. The calligraphy moon features Alhamdulillah written in Arabic. This took forever. I am not the best when it comes to Arabic calligraphy, but I tried my hardest and really happy with the way it turned out. So let's open her up. They're all hand screen printed onto acrylic. So the front part is glossy and this one is just absolutely stunning. So that's the crescent moon. The next piece is one of our most popular pieces in the Luna collection is the moss. We did it in a new material that we actually don't have any other piece in this material, and that is this gold mirrored material. Let's open her up. It's gorgeous. And we played on the arch here to give it kind of like a more pointed. It's always the little details that count. Okay, the next piece, so fun. And so this is the Ramadan countdown. And you can use a dry erase marker to track every day. She's gorgeous. The pieces are all screen printed on the back. So the back is beautiful matte ink. He flipped it over to just the matte ink side. Come on. I just want to show you how these would look on the centerpiece together. This is the large base, which can accommodate about 3 pieces if you do it like this. This is a beautiful display on your fireplace, in the middle of your table, in your kitchen. So there's one more piece in the AyshaHarun for modernEID collection, and it's this one. This Arabic, and it says, وَعَلَى رِزْقِكَ أَفْطَرْتُ, which means I break my fast with your sustenance. This is one of our reversible pieces. So let's check this one out. Like that. So here's the best part. When Ramadan's over, you can flip it, and it's got this beautiful mosaic design in dark hunter green color. Would put this anywhere in your home, bookcase, fireplace, anywhere. It's gonna look beautiful. It's such a pretty matte finish. It would kind of look like that. Okay, you could do this sort of thing. You can do this sort of thing. You can take the moon away. You can replace it with that. You can flip this around. How pretty is all of this? Here's our cane insert. You can move the moss over here with the moon. Love it. Love it all. The possibilities are endless, and that's integral in the way that I like to design modernEID products. Is I want them to be versatile. That is the AyshaHarun for modernEID Luna Centerpiece collection. Hope you love it as much as I do. Check it out. It's available at modernEID.com while supplies last.